Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Calmstep English channel. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. It's wonderful to see you today. We have something special for you.
Yes, we do. Today, we start a new challenge. We call it the 7-Day Slow English Challenge.
A challenge? That sounds exciting. Is it hard, John? I like simple things.
Don't worry, Sarah. It's very simple. It's for A1 and A2 beginners. People just starting their English journey.
Perfect. So if I'm a beginner, I can do this?
Absolutely. The goal isn't to learn 1,000 words in one day. The goal is to build a daily habit.
A daily habit. I like that. I often study for one day and then forget for 3 days.
That's common. Many people study a lot on Monday and then stop until Friday. But that's not the best way to learn.
What is the best way?
The best way is to do a little bit every day, even just 10 or 15 minutes. Consistency is key. If you practice every day, your brain stays in English mode.
Like exercise. If you walk for 20 minutes every day, you get healthy.
Exactly. This challenge is like a daily walk for your brain. It's gentle, slow, and effective.
I'm ready. What's the plan for the 7 days?
We have a different topic for every day. This helps you learn English for real life.
Tell me about day 1.
Day 1 is greetings and introductions. You need to know how to say hello and tell people who you are.
Is it just saying hello?
There are many ways. You can say hi, hello, good morning, or good afternoon. Then introduce yourself. My name is John, or I am John. And always say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That makes people happy.
It does. On day 1, practice these simple phrases out loud. Imagine meeting a new friend. Practice saying your name clearly to build confidence.
Sometimes I'm too shy to say my name in English.
That's why we practice. The more you say it, the easier it becomes. Now, day 2.
What's on day 2?
Day 2 is your daily routine. Talk about your life. What do you do every day?
I wake up, drink tea, go to work.
Exactly. Choose 3 simple things you do every morning. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee. I brush my teeth.
I wake up, I drink coffee, I brush my teeth. Very simple.
Yes. By saying these in English, you connect the language to your real actions. When you brush your teeth tomorrow, think, I am brushing my teeth.
So, I practice English even in the bathroom.
Ha 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 ha. Yes. English should be part of your whole day.
Okay, day 3.
Day 3 is food and ordering. Imagine you're at a cafe or restaurant.
I love cafes. I love ordering cake.
Then you need to know how to ask for it. Practice phrases like, can I have a coffee, please? Or, I would like a sandwich.
Can I have a piece of cake, please? I'll practice that a lot.
Ha 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 ha. The key is to practice, can I have, and I would like. These are polite and common. You can use them for almost anything you want to buy.
I can use that at the market too, right?
Yes. Can I have 3 apples, please? Now, day 4.
What's day 4?
Day 4 is hobbies and interests. This is how you make friends. Talk about what you like to do in your free time.
I like reading, music, and walking in the park.
Great. Practice saying, I like, or I love. For example, I like reading books, or I love listening to music. You can also say why. I like walking because it is relaxing.
I like walking because it is relaxing. A good, simple sentence.
Exactly. We're building your sentences bit by bit. Day 5. Day 5 is asking for help. This is important for travel or new places.
Yes, I get lost sometimes. It's scary if I can't ask for help.
Practice simple questions. Where's the station? Or Where is the bathroom? And, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please? Very important.
Always say excuse me first. It's polite. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, a magic word. Day 6?
Day 6 is describing people. Talk about friends, family, or pets.
I can talk about my cat. She's cute and fat.
Perfect adjectives. Learn simple words like tall, short, kind, happy, or funny. For example, my friend is funny, or my mother is kind.
My mother is kind. A beautiful sentence.
It makes your English more personal. Finally, Day 7.
The last day. What do we do?
Day 7 is future plans and review. Talk about one thing you want to do next week. For example, next week I want to go to the cinema.
Next week, I want to... Simple.
Then, the most important part, the review. Look back at everything you learned from Day 1 to Day 6.
Why is review so important?
Our brains forget quickly. Reviewing tells your brain, this is important, keep it. It locks words into your long-term memory.
So Day 7 is a big summary.
Exactly. Celebrate your hard work and see how much you learned in 7 days.
Great. But how do we practice every day?
We have a 4-step daily routine. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes.
15 minutes? I can do that. What are the steps?
Step 1. Listen. Listen to 5 minutes of slow English about the day's topic.
I can do that while having tea.
Step 2. Repeat. Say phrases out loud 3 times. This trains your mouth muscles.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Step 3. Write. Write one simple sentence in a notebook. For example, I would like a tea, please.
Just one sentence. Very easy.
Step 4. Share. Type your sentence in the comments of this video.
I love that. I can see what others write too.
Yes, you're part of a community. Now some tips for success.
Tips? Yes, please.
Tip 1. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them. They show you're learning.
So if I say I is happy, it's okay?
Perfectly okay. I'll still understand you. Be brave.
I'll be brave. Tip 2.
Tip 2. Find a quiet place. Focus only on English for those 15 minutes. Turn off your phone.
My English corner. Tip 3.
Tip 3. Be patient. You won't be fluent in 7 days, and that's okay. It's a step towards fluency.
I'll celebrate small wins. Every new word is a win.
Exactly. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Now let's do a mini practice for Day 1. Hello, my name is John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. I am Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Now Day 2, daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I drink water, then I go for a walk.
In the morning, I wake up at 8 a.m. I make tea. Then I read a book.
Excellent. Use then to connect actions. It sounds natural.
Then, a bridge between sentences. Day 3, food.
Hello, what would you like today?
Hello, I would like a latte and a muffin, please.
Great. That's $5.
Here you go, thank you.
Enjoy. See? Real English. Imagine the smell of coffee to make it memorable.
I can smell it. Day 4, hobbies. I love gardening. I have beautiful flowers. I also like cooking. It makes me happy.
Wonderful. Use positive words like love and happy. It makes speaking a joy.
Day 5, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the museum, please?
It's close. Go straight and turn left.
Thank you very much.
Simple and polite. Excuse me is a magic word. Day 6. Describing people.
My sister Emily is tall with long hair. She is kind and funny. I love her.
Beautiful. Use is for personality and is or has for physical features. Adjectives add color to your English.
Day 7. Review.
Read your notebook. Say sentences out loud. Talk about next week. Next week, I want to learn more.
That's my plan.
This challenge is just the beginning. You'll have confidence and a great habit.
I'm inspired. One small step every day.
Exactly. We're with you for every step.
That makes me feel better.
Let's remind everyone of the 4 steps. Listen, repeat, write, share.
10 minutes a day. No excuses.
No excuses. Only progress. Ready for day 1?
Ready. I'll practice my introduction now.
Wait, let's say goodbye. Thank you for watching. We're proud of you.
You're amazing. Like this video if you're joining.
Share it with a friend. Practice together.
Subscribe to Calmstep English channel so you don't miss day 1 tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Get your notebooks ready.
Happy learning. Bye-bye.
Bye. Now, Sarah, let's talk more about why this challenge works. It's not just about the words. It's about how your brain learns. When you do something every day, your brain builds new paths. These paths make English easier and faster for you.
Like a path in a forest, the more you walk on it, the clearer it becomes.
Exactly. If you only walk on it once a month, the grass grows back and the path disappears. But if you walk on it every day, it becomes a smooth road. That's what we want for your English.
I want a smooth road to fluency. John, can you give more examples for day 1? I want to be really good at introductions.
Of course. You can also say where you are from. I am from Myanmar, or I live in Yangon. This helps people know more about you.
I am from Myanmar. I live in Yangon. That's good. And can I talk about my job?
Yes, but keep it simple. I am a teacher, or I am a student, or I work in an office. Don't use difficult words. The goal is to be clear.
I am a student. I live in Yangon. Nice to meet you. I feel more confident now.
Good. And for day 2, your routine. You can add more details later. But for now, just 3 things. I wake up. I wash my face. I have breakfast. Using the same words every day helps you remember them forever.
I wash my face. I will say that every morning. What about day 3, food? Can we practice more cafe words?
Sure. You can ask for the price. How much is this? Or how much is the coffee? And you can say thank you when you get your food.
How much is this? Thank you. Very useful. I use these words every day when I go shopping.
Yes, and that's why this challenge is so good. You are learning words you actually need. For day 4, hobbies, you can also say what you don't like.
Oh, like, I don't like running.
Yes, I don't like running because it is difficult. It's okay to talk about things you don't like too. It's part of a real conversation.
I don't like running. I like walking. That's me.
Me too, Sarah. Now, for day 5, asking for help, remember to listen carefully to the answer. If you don't understand, you can say, slowly, please. Or, can you say that again?
Slowly, please. That is a very important phrase for me. Sometimes people speak too fast.
Yes, and it's okay to ask them to slow down. Most people are happy to help. For day 6, describing people, you can also describe yourself. I am happy today, or I am a kind person.
I am happy today. I like saying that. It makes me feel even happier.
It does. Positive words are very powerful. And for day 7, the review, Try to say all your sentences without looking at your notebook. This is called active recall, and it's the best way to test your memory.
Active recall. I will try that. I will close my eyes and try to remember everything.
That's the spirit. Now, let's talk about the 4 steps again. Step 1 is listen. Why is listening so important, John? Listening is the foundation of language. Before a baby speaks, it listens for a long time. By listening to slow English, you are teaching your brain the rhythm and the sounds of the language. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is still learning.
So I should just let the English flow into my ears?
Yes. Think of it like music. You don't need to understand every note to enjoy the song. Just listen and relax.
I like that. And step 2, repeat. Why 3 times?
Because the first time, you are just learning the sound. The second time, you are practicing the movement of your mouth. And the third time, you are building muscle memory. Muscle memory is what allows you to speak without thinking too much.
Muscle memory, like riding a bike. Once you learn, you don't forget.
Exactly. And step 3, write. Why only 1 sentence? Because we want this to be easy. If I ask you to write a page, you might feel stressed. But 1 sentence is easy. It's a small win. And many small wins lead to a big success.
1 sentence a day is 365 sentences a year. That's a lot of English.
It really is. And step 4, share. Why should we share in the comments? Learning with others is fun. When you see other people's sentences, you learn too. When we like your comment, it gives you confidence. You're part of a team.
I love being part of the Calmstep team.
Now, what if someone misses a day?
Oh no, what if I forget on Wednesday?
Don't worry. If you miss a day, just start again the next day. Don't give up. Just say, "It's okay, I will practice today."
It's okay, I will practice today. That's a good attitude.
Yes. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is. If you practice 5 days out of 7, that's a great success.
I feel better now. I was worried about being perfect.
No one is perfect, Sarah. We're all learning together.
You're right, John. I'm excited for day 1 tomorrow. I have my notebook and pen ready.
I have mine too. I'll write my introduction today to practice.
Me too. Hello, my name is Sarah. I love learning English with you all.
Perfect sentence, Sarah. To our viewers, what is your sentence for today? Write it in the comments.
Yes, we want to see your sentences, even just hello.
Every comment is a step forward. Thank you for being here. We're happy to be your teachers.
And your friends.
Remember, English is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy it, and be kind to yourself.
English is a journey, not a race. I love that.
See you tomorrow for day 1. It's going to be a great week.
I can't wait. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.